Welcome to Lily Artist English. I am Lily Artist and I teach you how you can paint beautiful real flower with a simple step on the fabric. Here is a quick introduction for my new subscriber and my new girlies who started or thinking to start fabric painting and want the tutorial video in English because you can't understand Hindi. So this is my second channel. If you want to explore more and more design, you can visit my main channel Lily Artist Fabric Works. There you will find more than 700 video tutorial with different design and color combination. I'm sure you are gonna love it. And I also conduct online classes, live and pre-recorded, both are available. You can message on the given number if you are planning to join the classes and get the detail. Okay, now let me explain some of the main topic of this video. So here I am painting it with a round brush. Okay, the color I am using is cerulean blue and white, two color combination to make it easy. So in this video I will teach you how you can paint very easy flower but in a beautiful design. So it is a perception that if you are painting a simple flower, your art will look very basic. So it is not a case, and this design is a living proof of it. Okay, before starting fabric painting, you have to follow certain pre-painting steps. If you are not aware of it, make sure to watch my fabric painting playlist, or you can comment down below. I will cover that topic in the upcoming videos. And for painting this flower, you can see that I am applying two shades. The white is looking like a light blue because my brush already contains some of the blue and I'm not washing it. I'm just cleaning off my brush on a paper or tissue paper, or you can use a cloth. That's why when I'm applying the white here, it is giving a tint of blue. Okay, and for the darker shade I am using the dark blue direct from the bottle and try to blend it out. Now the center part I am filling it with white, but my brush already contains some of blue, so it will give a light blue effect. Moving toward the bird, so you will in the simple flower, when you paint the bird of the simple flower design, you will treat the bird like a single petal and paint with the same style. Okay, so painting the bird with the same shades, light and dark, and blending it together. These little cute birds will add very beautiful feature to your design and it will enhance its look. So make sure to add some birds here and there in your design for the attractive looks. Okay, moving towards the green part of the design, here I am using the same round brush I used for the flower and painting the green part of the birds and joining the line with the same brush. But make sure, take a note here, you will add the lines with 0 number brush. You will not use the same 4 or 8 number brush you are using to paint the leaf for connecting the lines. Okay, and especially you are a beginner, because it will ruin your design and the line will sometime here and there thick and thin and it completely ruin your design. I do it generally because my hand is set. Okay, and I can handle the brush, the pressure, and I know when and where which stroke I need. And you can also do these type of thing when you will practice more and more and become expert in it. But for now I am giving this tutorial for beginner. You will change your brush and use liner brush or 0 number brush for connecting lines, and for painting leaves you will use 4 or 8 number round brush according to the shape and size of your leaf. Okay, for painting the leaves you will also use two paints here, sap green and white. And how you are going to use that paint to paint the leaf, look carefully. What I did, I applied white, and the reason why it is giving a light green effect, you know it now, my brush hold little bit of green, that's why. And then I applied sap green, then blend these two together. connecting these lines, I will again paint the leaf. Then you have to watch carefully. Applying, you can apply, do it in a either way. First you can apply the dark shade and then light shade, or you can first apply the light shade and the dark shade. It's on you. It's not a big deal. Okay. And if you are facing difficulty to paint the leaf with the first step, you can paint with the second step. Right now I am painting it with that, and let me explain it for you. So you will paint the leaf in the half portion first and then the half other portion after the first part, so that it will become a little bit easier for you. After that, it's time to enhance the beauty of this simple flower by adding the detail in it. So first of all, I am adding a dark blue dots in the center part of the flower like that, but you have to add this dot with a very neat effect. Okay, you don't have to mess the little dots. And after that, I am adding very clear and fine lines in the leaf. You can skip the fine line, adding the fine line in the leaves for now if you are very beginner and you don't know how to handle the liner brush. And if you want to learn fabric painting in my online classes or pre-recorded classes, message me on the given number on the screen and I will send you the detail for the classes. Okay. Now adding fine line in the leaf step by step. And here is one more tip: before you start painting, make sure if you are using cotton cloth or rayon or any cloth, make sure to wash it to remove the starch or any chemical used for the long stay of the paint. And by following this video step by step, adding the detail, some green dots and yellow paint, a beginner can also paint a very stunning and beautiful design like this. I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you are thinking to start fabric painting, start it now. I will be uploading beautiful tutorials for you all, and online classes is also available, so don't worry. I am here to teach you. You just need to pick up your brush. That's all for today. See you soon in the next video. Make sure to mention the comment below what you think about this tutorial and what you need in the future. Take care. Bye.